Hello, awesome moms! Welcome to my YouTube channel. To the new viewers, Gia has mild autism. She is studying in a regular school. Today, Gia and I will be reviewing math. Just a disclaimer, I am not a mathematician. This is my own technique. To all the awesome moms out there, join us in our video and you might pick up some useful ideas. Before I continue, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, Gia, okay, let's recall your lesson. So, quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? An equation in one variable is a quadratic equation if it has a degree of 2. Remember this, a degree of 2, okay, or a second degree polynomial, meaning the highest exponent of variable x is 2. So, ito yung yung sa formula ng quadratic equation. Ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay? So, where a, b, and c are real numbers. So, makikita natin dito sa formula na ang variable dito sa ax is 2. At dito naman sa kabila, yung isang variable ay 1. Ito, invisible lang siya, di ba? Yan. So, the highest exponent of variable x is 2. Or the highest exponent of this equation is 2. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. So, ito yung standard form. So, magbibigay ako ng example. So, 2x raised to 2 plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Bakit quadratic equation ito? Dahil ang highest exponent is 2. Okay, so what are the parts of quadratic equation? So, ito yung mga parts ng quadratic equation. Itong part na ito, kung saan nandito yung highest degree or exponent na 2, ito ay tinatawag na quadratic term. Ito naman, kung saan ang linear, ay yung 1, exponent 1, ang tawag dito ay linear term. Ito naman, ang tawag dito ay constant. Na kung saan, kapag constant, solo lang siya. Or walang variable na kasama. Walang variable na kasama. Okay, next. How to find the value of A, B, C. Okay, find the value of A, B, C. 2x raised to 2 plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, find the value of A, B, C. Si A, ito siya, 2. And then si B, 4. And then si C, negative 10. Okay, another example. 4x raised to 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, find the value of A, B, C. A, si 4. And then B, Since walang linear term dito, ilalagay natin 0. And then C, constant, negative 10. Okay. Try natin i-solve ito. Yung write each quadratic equation in standard form. Ito siya, ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, let's try another example. For example, 5x raised to 2 minus 10 is equal to 10x is equal to 6. Ayan. Since ang quadratic equation natin or formula is ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, sa aming technique ni Gia, since hindi naman ako yung mathematician, kapag hindi siya equal to 0, itong constant number na to or coefficient is itatransfer po siya dito sa tabi ng equals. So, ang technique namin, ang tawag namin sa equals ay bridge. So, si 6 ay tatawid siya sa bridge. And then, ang gagawin mo dyan, just copy this one. 5x raised to 2 and then yung operation and then 10x and then mag-stop ka dito kung saan yung arrow and then ililipat mo si 6. So si 6, ang sign niya is positive. Kapag once na lilipat siya, kailangan magbago yung sign. Ayan. So magiging negative 6 and then equals to 0. Then identify the values of A, B, C. So, si A. Okay. Hindi na makita. Ito na lang tayo sa taas. So, A. I see 5. And then B. 10. And then C. Okay, negative 10. Kunin natin yung ano niya, sign niya. And then negative 6. Okay, remember this formula for a quadratic equation, ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, anong sinabi ko sa'yo kahapon? This is u. Okay? May given tayo dito, 2x, open parenthesis, x minus 3, close parenthesis, equals to 10. So, yung nandito, sa left ni parenthesis, this is u. This is u. Tapos yung nandito sa loob, okay, this is u. And then yung nandito sa loob, ito yung si enemy 1. And then, ito yung si enemy 2. So, focus ka muna dito, yung mga enemies mo. You have to target them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, try to answer.
So the last step is to have a first and then
Yeah.
last step.
Okay. Don't forget the variables, ha? Kapag there are two variables, anong gagawin sa exponent?
Plus.
Okay. Kapag multiplication, anong gagawin sa exponent?
Plus.
Plus. Kapag division, anong gagawin sa exponent? Minus. Ayan yung sign na ano. Okay. Ayan. Okay, try the red one. Okay, next. After mo ma-target si enemy 1, anong susunod? Enemy 2. Okay? Okay. Don't forget the, don't forget the sign. Kapag pag mag-multiply ka, positive 2 times negative 3, ganon. Okay, don't forget na isama yung sign.
And negative 6.
Okay. I'll try this one. Okay. And then, titingnan mo kung merong variable. Kung may kasama silang variable.
No.
May kasama ba silang variable? Oh, okay. Sabi mo no. Don't forget, ikaw to. This is you. These are your enemies. Ito, tsaka ito. Oh, bakit X lang? Dahil
And 3.
si 3 ay
Negative.
dahil, bakit walang X? Walang variable. Dahil si 3i ay, bakit X lang yung nilagay mo? 2x times negative 1, ay negative 3. You copy the X and then, bakit X lang? Walang exponent. Dahil,
Solo.
solo siya. Okay. So, meron ka pang enemy sa loob?
No.
No more. So, anong gagawin na after ma-compute? Okay, after ma-compute yan, anong gagawin?
The last step.
Okay, last step yan na. You copy. Okay, okay, very good. So, si 10, tatawid siya sa bridge.
I think the plus.
Okay, positive. So, anong mangyayari kapag tumawid sa bridge? Okay, become negative. Now, find the values of A, B, C. Okay, and then B, and then C, negative 10. Good job. Okay. Okay, next example, given, next given. Huwag mong kalimutan yung variables. After mo mag-multiply, and then anong susunod mong titingnan? Titingnan mo yung variables. Always look at the variables. Okay, next. Dito naman, dalawang parenthesis na. Okay. So, meron ng dalawang parenthesis. So, open close parenthesis, x plus 3 times. Kapag ganito siya, anong operation?
Times.
Times or multiplication. Kapag ganito rin, ano to?
Multiply.
Okay, multiply. Times negative x minus 1 equals negative 5. So, anong turo ko sa'yo? Dahil dalawa na yung parenthesis. Yung nasa unang parenthesis, okay? Yung nasa unang parenthesis na si x, yung nandito, this is you. And then this
friend.
This is your friend. And this one,
Enemy right.
enemy 1. And
Yeah.
then next, enemy 2. Then meron kang bridge. And then negative 5. Oh, try to answer.
I can do this.
Okay, sino mo na unang mag-fight? You. You have to fight your enemies. After you fight your enemies, sino susunod mag-fight ng enemy niya?
Friend.
Friends. Very good.
I can do this.
I know. Okay. Don't forget the variable, huh? Saan? Okay. Okay. Ito nilang isa. Ayaw niya. After solving, don't forget na tingnan, i-check yung variables mo. O, nag-solve ka na. Tingnan mo na yung variables. You copy the x. Yung inano mo, yan. Anong susunod? After mo makopy yung x, may exponent bang dalawa? O, okay. Dalawa yung variable. Kapag dalawa yung variable,
Plus.
okay.
Plus 8.
Okay. Okay, next. Anong susunod? Dahil na-fight mo yung si enemy 1, ano yung susunod mo? The enemy 2. Good job. Okay. After solving, okay, after solving, anong susunod na i-check?
The variable.
Okay, the variable, yung ano mo. You copy the variable kung may variable. Diba? Copy yung variable kung meron siyang variable. And then check mo kung may kasama siyang variable. May kasama ba siyang variable?
No.
No, dahil wala siyang kasamang variable, wala kang ipa-plus na
Hex component.
exponent. O, next na. Tapos ka na mag-fight. May ipa-fight ka pa ba?
Friend.
Okay, si friends na. O, si friend na ang magpo-fight naman. Tapos ka na. Okay. Use different colors of your pen kapag sa school, ha? Okay.
I think red.
Okay, red.
I'll check the red one. Okay.
Okay. Anong sign ni 3? What's the sign?
Positive.
Positive. So, positive 3 times okay. After multiplying, anong susunod mong i-check?
X component.
Exponent ba?
No.
Variable muna bago exponent.
A variable.
Okay. Tingnan mo yung yung inano mo, si friend mo, tsaka yung enemy 1. Ilang variable?
1.
1. Dahil 1, no exponent kapag 1 na. O, susunod, na gagawin. O, si enemy 2. Sino mag-fight kay enemy 2?
Friend.
Si friend. Okay. Oh, ilan? Okay, negative 3. So, check mo nga si friend at saka enemy 2 kung may variable.
No.
No. So, dahil tapos na ba? Wala nang ipa-fight?
Yeah.
O, ano nang gagawin? Susunod. Okay, very good. Okay. Tatawid na si negative 5 sa bridge. Okay. So, anong gagawin? Dahil tumawid na si negative 5. Negative 5 yan, ha? Anong mangyayari kapag tumawid?
Positive.
Okay, become positive. Ako, nagiging halo ang ano natin. Positive. Is it 3? Don't you check kung ano yung sinusulat mong number, ha? Okay. Okay, positive 5 equals to 0. So your answer is your answer is ayun na, nagsusulat na siya. Your answer is negative 1 x raised to 2 minus 1 x. Kapag 1 lang din naman, just remove the 1 na, okay? Don't forget, ha? So, x na lang to. Okay, minus wala na ng minus 3x minus 3 plus 5 equals to 0. Now, anong susunod mo nang gagawin? Kasi napakahaba. Napakahaba ng ng mga sinagot mo. Anong gagawin mo na?
Answer.
Paano yung pag-answer?
A, B, C.
Is it ABC na? It's, ang dami ang dami nila Anong gagawin after mo mag-solve?
Maybe.
What? You forgot the couples?
Papa, the couple, of course.
Okay, find the couples muna. Ayan. Find the couples, okay? Okay. Okay. Don't forget the arrow. Yung ganun, yung parang V. Okay. Okay, next. Ano nang gagawin? Anong gagawin? Before solving, kasi pag may nakikita kang dito, term, anong gagawin mo? Wala siyang
Copy.
Oh, just copy. Before solving, tingnan mo muna yung Okay. And then, susunod dyan. Sinama mo yung yung sign. Always, don't forget the sign. How about the variable? Okay, very good. And then next, anong susunod? Laging huwag mong kalimutan yung kasama nila, kasamang sign. How many? Is it negative 2 yung nandyan? Is it negative 2? Don't forget your answer. Yun din ang magpapakita dyan sa mo. Kung ano yung sign sa answer, yun din ang ilalagay mo. And then next. Okay. And then what's next?
Ay.
What's next na?
Wait.
Ayaw pa rin magsulat niyan. This one na lang, yung red na lang. Ayaw magsulat. Okay. A is equal to negative 1. And then B, the value of B is the value of B is negative 4. Good job. And value of C, good job. Kapag positive, no need na to put the sign, okay? So, again, yung answer mo hindi mahalata. A, yan. So, what's your answer? Can you read your answer? Yung A?
A is negative 1. B is negative 4. C is negative 2. C is 2.
Okay, good job. Did you get it? Okay. Thank you for your time in watching this vlog, and if you like it, don't forget to click like, share, and also subscribe for more updates on videos. Have a great day and Jesus loves you.